action. All right, we're out here in Valdez, Alaska with my son Grant right here. We got our friends. We're gonna go out here, and Tommy's gonna take us on his boat, but we're gonna give you a tour of Tommy's boat. So come on with us. One of the things we always want to try to pack real light when we're going on these trips, minimal amount of gear. We're going out here for 4 weeks, and you know, the boat can only carry 10,000 pounds, so we got to be selective about the gear that we bring. So as you can see, we have very minimal amount of gear. We're not bringing any extra animals or anything that's not required to go bear hunting for 4 weeks. So as you can see, we got toilet paper, some food, very lightweight camping. So you walk with me back this way. This is where Tommy is a fleet captain out of Valdez. He used to run choppers down out of Da Nang, flying back and forth all kinds of cow shit for different places, and that's where he got his love for boating from choppers. So yeah, it's gonna be a good trip. We should have a good one. Grant, you gotta add anything to that?
I can't wait to use this chainsaw to, you know, harvest the bear meat. You know, just, you know, because we don't use knives. We use, because they're too big, we gotta use
cook breakfast with the chainsaw.
Yeah.
That's how we scramble our eggs too.
Yeah, makes good sausage.
Yeah.
We got everything set up yesterday on the beach. It was a lot of work to do all that, you know, moving in stuff out of the boat and down over here, then up the hill. Weather's been nice, no rain yet. Now we're getting ready to set up the boat and yeah, go do some hunting maybe later. What do you guys say?
It got way colder. There's a bunch of snow up by the cabin. There's like a foot of snow, so that's pretty cool.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, you guys were out running around in the snow last night. The cabin was in pretty good shape. No holes in it or anything, so that was good. So yeah, looking forward to it. Our spirits are high right now, so we're feeling good. All right, we got everything set up here. It's about 7:30, 8 o'clock. Got some steaks on the grill. Look at that. Yeah. Looking delicious. What's up, Colt man?
What's up?
You ready for some steaks?
Absolutely.
Yeah, buddy. Heck yeah. Careful. Super slippery bridge. It's okay. I got the video on in case you go. The video. Whoa, slippery. What's that? Yeah. Because you just gotta, we'll use it for a safety video. Oh shit. Oh, that fucking monkey. Oh shit. You alright? Grant, help this food.
And literally for the past 5 minutes, my hands don't get numb. No, I think I take this one from there. I like
Whoa.
just a little fucking muddy. I used to touch on that almost this morning. I don't think I do so wood.
Don't drop that. Keep it out of the mud.
Let's stay back a little.
I'll catch you if you fall.
Huh?
I said, I'll catch you if you fall.
I didn't catch him. He's off. You're back there. You can find a little just push me out of the way.
Whoa! Man, those holes are getting deep. We made it!
Well, there is the Donka bar kettle.
Watch it, slippery.
What are we gonna do here?
No wonder. Under and around it and fast. You gotta be quick. Go, go, go. Don't fall. Go, go, go. Oh, that's deep. Oh, it's so deep. You dry?
What?
You dry?
A little bit in
Hey Grant, you can't nap there.
Oh, that's my knee.
So slippery. It's like the ice capades on the side of a hill.
Pretty much.
You got it?
Help me up.
Yeah. Otters. Sea otters. All right, Alaska, baby. We gotta say, Grant, you tired?
Kinda.
Yeah, a long day. Rained all day today. Just finally let up. So we'll cruise around the boat looking for some bears. Grant's working his way closer. That was a great job, guys. I watched you guys spot and stalk them all the way over here. God, that's a lot of fucking walking.
Yeah. Just make sure we was dead. We shot him in the head.
Yeah, he shot him in the head first time already. Yeah, that was a nice shot though, brain. I don't think you're gonna get that skull, however.
Yeah, you shouldn't have shot him in the head.
Whatever.
That's okay.
Now the first bullet already hit him in the head.
No, the first bullet hit him down.
Wait, really?
I think so. Yeah.
No, when I got it, it was just more reddish.
Nice shot. What are you, 200 yards out?
270. 270s.
270? He dropped, man. You hit him. I watched. He just dropped.
Yeah, I shot him, and then I looked through the scope again. I was like, where is he? Oh, I didn't notice that black pile there.
Yeah, right when you hit him, he went down, man.
Yeah.
Mosquito on your
I
head.
couldn't
shot.
really because of the grass, so I like looked up. I saw which position he was in.
Uh-huh.
It's like I couldn't tell which end the head was on.
You shoot off the sticks?
No, I shot from prone.
You shot from prone? Yeah, nice. On the bipod?
I was on standby. I had a really bad view because the grass was
Yeah,
in the way.
I saw you were out over here to the left. Yeah, but that was great, man. You guys we were good working as a team, and you guys snuck right up on them.
Yep, now it's your turn to get a black bear.
Yeah, all right,
And
good
I still
job.
gotta get my brown.
Good job, guys. Awesome. How'd that
Nice.
feel, Grant?
Great.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Right on. All right. All right, Grant's first black bear. What do you guys say, buddy?
That was insane. That was my first stalk I ever did on any animal. And yeah, me and Colt worked together really well, and we were able to put him on the ground.
So you first saw him at about, what, 430 yards?
I think I ranged him at like 380s or something like
380, and what were you able to get up to?
that. I got up to 270, and I didn't, like, he was right next to the tree line, so if he saw us, he was going to get away immediately.
Yeah.
And he looked up like 2 or 3 times, like on the stalk, and so I didn't want to risk it, so I just shot him from right here,
Yeah.
or from right over there, 270.
270. Nice shot, buddy. Good job. All right, let's clean him up.
So I just cut like that.
Yeah, I think you just take it down to the wrist, and then separate it at the wrist.
What kind of taxidermies can we do for the paws?
I don't know, I'll tell you the truth, buddy. I'll have to ask Lance that one.
Ow!
Tally ho!
Woohoo. Drop. Yeah. Hit! Up top! Above you!
No, don't do that. I'll get stuck in a tree.
Exactly.
All right, we just finished bailing out the boat. Got it pulled up. Thing's freaking heavy, man. Boys took a bunch of load of rock up the trail, filled in a lot of the mud holes. Now they're relaxing, watching some videos on YouTube. Thanks, guys. All right, this is our base camp area. One of the bays we hunt is back around that corner. Another bay is back around that corner. The bay we hunted yesterday is back around that corner right there. And then there's another bay out around, right around that corner, right there, that corner right there. We got all our drinks and stuff, our little tent area. It rains, this is where we keep all the food stacked up. We all kind of chill here during the day when it's raining, get out of the rain. Firewood under there, cooking area over there with our gas, some fishing poles. The cabin is up a trail that way up about probably, I don't know, quarter mile up a hill. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Starlink down there, generator and charging station there. Hey, this is Cookie. Hey, out here in Alaska. All right, I'm gonna make a little food. That's why they call me Cookie. All right, today we got some delicious rockfish. Okay, Cookie love cooking rockfish. Cookie cook rockfish all the time. All right, so come on me with a trip journey with Cookie rockfish cooking. All right, first we're gonna get the grill. We're gonna get grill. We're gonna take some bacon fat. Take the bacon fat. All right, and then we're gonna take our fish here as soon as this grill gets the temperature. So come on back now, you hear?
And here return our weary hunters.
How is it, guys? Are you cold, tired, and hungry?
Yes!
All right, I got food for you.
Very.
This is our stock spot, day 2. Grant's down over there. Saw a brown bear earlier. Down out over there. Raise your knees high. Let the water drain out quick. Too fast. You dry?
Brown bear.
That's a brown bear?
Brown bear.
Now, now, water over there, now, generator running over there, now, no, it's round on there, all right, it's a little chillier today. We had some boat problems. We forgot a part on the boat.